Hi! Have you ever imagined wearing a t-shirt made by you? You draw what you want on a specific piece of paper and then abracadabra! You have your own drawing on your t-shirt just like mine. See? This one was made by my student Fernanda. Isn't it nice? Today, you are going to learn how to customize your t-shirt. Okay? I'm Annalise, a teacher at Ann Arbor Language School, and I'm here to show you how to do a t-shirt print. Are you ready? Yes? Let's start. First, what do you need? Well, you need a white t-shirt, here, sandpaper, okay, crayons, right, a piece of cardboard, here it is, an iron, okay, and a piece of paper towel. All right? Now you're ready to start. Get the sandpaper and imagine what you would like to draw. And use your crayons to draw directly onto the sandpaper. If you're not sure what you want to draw, you can make a pencil sketch and then you can color it. But don't forget, you can use only crayons to color, okay? When you color, make sure you press your crayons very hard onto the sandpaper so you get a better transfer to the t-shirt later on, okay? This drawing was made by my student Gabriela. See how beautiful? So, now let's check how my students made the drawings. Finish the drawings. Ask an adult to help you with the ironing part. Get the iron and turn it to the hottest setting available. Usually it is the cotton setting. Once the iron is set, get the piece of cardboard and put it inside the t-shirt. Why? To make sure the drawing is transferred to one side of the t-shirt only and not to both sides of the t-shirt. An important reminder, the drawing will be printed in reverse like a mirror, so avoid using letters and numbers or they might appear in reverse. Now place your drawing facing down onto the t-shirt. Get a piece of paper towel or two pieces and put them over the sandpaper like this. Then you get your iron and you iron the drawing for about 30 seconds to make sure the drawing is transferred to the t-shirt. Now you remove the paper towel and the sandpaper and voila! Your t-shirt is ready. Did you like it? Write in the comments below what you think about this episode. Follow us to get notified whenever we have any new episodes. See you soon. Bye.